Hello, my lovely readers, welcome back. Today I am going to read Peppa's story time. We can see here there are a lot of stories about Peppa Pig. So today I'm going to read Daddy Pig. Let's read Daddy Pig. This is Peppa's daddy, Daddy Pig. He has a big booming voice. Daddy Pig likes doing noisy things. Oh ho ho, he shouts. Let's shake, rattle, and bang. Daddy Pig knows how to make the best mud puddles. How is this one, children? Asked Daddy Pig. Just right for jumping, says Peppa. He always happy to try new things. Daddy riding on horsey twinkle toes. Guess Peppa. Yeah, I am, shouts Daddy Pig. Help! Daddy Pig is very sporty. He is especially good at watching sport on television. Come on, the Blues, cheers Daddy Pig. Peppa has lots of fun with her daddy. Even an old newspaper can be interesting. When Daddy Pig is around, Peppa loves Daddy Pig. Everyone loves Daddy Pig. The end. I hope you love the story. We will see you again with another beautiful story. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.